Hello friends, welcome to Programming Knowledge. In this video we will see what is the use of foreign key. So before going into further, let me show you one example. Consider this scenario. We have two tables. One is student table and the another one is department table. The student table has two columns basically. The first one is ID, which is also primary key for student table, and another is name of the student. The second table also has two columns. The first one is DID, which is department ID, and it is the primary key for department table, and another is department name. If you observe this example very carefully, you can find out that there is a relation between these two tables. Students obviously belong to some department. Some students are pursuing BTech, or some students pursuing MTech. And department also has a relationship with student because BTech has some number of students under it and MTech has. So how to link these two tables? So here comes the foreign key. If we want to link these two tables, then we can use foreign key to do so. I want to link student table so that there will be added a new column in it, and it is nothing but department ID, and we can write that suppose Brijan belong to BTech, Mark belong to MTech, Smith also belong to MTech, and Scott belong to BTech. DID 1, it means that this one is the department ID and department ID is 1, then the name of the department is BTech. So this is how we can link those tables. So let me just close this and open my SQL workbench. We already have student table, and in this we only has primary key. For this particular example, I will create two new tables. First one is department table. Remember one thing, the table which contains the primary key is called parent table, and a foreign key is nothing but is a field in one table that refers to the primary key in other table. Therefore, the table containing the foreign key is called the child table, and the table that contains the candidate key is called the referenced or parent table. So, in our example, parent table will be department and child table will be student. So, let me create parent table first because we want that primary key. Create table, the name of the table, department, which has DID, int, name, varchar let's say 10, and department ID is primary key. Okay, let me just refresh it here. Here we have department, DID, name. Okay, let me create another table. Student, department, it has ID as integer, name, varchar 40 let's say, primary key will be id, and now foreign key. Now here comes the part where you can link student div table to department table. Simply write foreign key and first of all we need to add another column which holds this did. Let me call it did also, an integer. Foreign key, we want this did to store the information about foreign key did, which table it refers to. It refers to department table. So we write references, the name of the table. The table name is department, and the name of its primary key, which is did. So it's a long query, so carefully observe it. Create table, the name of the table, id, which is store roll number basically, name, did, which is nothing but this field, then our primary key will be this id. Foreign key did means the value of this primary key will store here, which references department table of did. And file this, and we have two tables here, department and student dip. Okay, let me see the structure. Describe as student dip. Okay, it is here. Okay, now let me insert some of the values. First insert into department table, insert into department, values will be 1, btech, let's say. Okay, successfully inserted. Now insert into student dip, id will be 101, let's say, name is Bridging, and here comes the department id. Here if we insert, let's say, 2, values, and if I add this, then it won't let me insert this value because these 2 has not inserted in department table. We have only inserted this one, so it cannot find any reference of did in department table. Instead of it, if we write 1, then it will be successfully inserted. So this is how you can use foreign key constraint to link two tables or multiple tables. Thanks for watching it.